Now this final one is the tricky one. It says learn more about Jones at their website. So what's happening here is that we're grabbing the URL from the link field that we added to the user for their homepage, and we're using that as the path for this link, but then we're changing the text to read learn more about, and then we're inserting the username and then adding at their website. So what we're going to need to do here is use some rewriting inside of views in order to display this properly. Now, if we thought that we were going to reuse this text in other places on the site, for example, on the user homepage or on other blocks, then we might want to go through the effort of creating something called a custom formatter using the custom formatter module. What that would allow us to do is basically create this rewriting of a set of fields and to be able to display it this way simply by selecting the format in a dropdown instead of rebuilding the rewriting every time. We're going to start here by rewriting this in views and looking at a couple of different examples of that, but eventually we'll come back to creating the custom formatter because knowing how to do that will be really useful in being able to reuse some of this configuration later on.